Hello friends, let us become familiar with the form of the past perfect tense. So here you have got some simple sentences. You have to rewrite them in the using the past perfect form of those verbs. There are 14 only. At the end I will add one more. So that we can have that set of 15. Okay. So he talks too much. The form will be, what will be the form? He had talked. Sorry. Had plus past participle. So he had talked. He had talked too much. Sorry. Talks. Lived. He had lived. He had lived here. Moved. He had. People had. People had moved. This is only form. Broke. They broke. They had broken. They had broken their toys. Some people went. Some people had gone. Isn't it? Yes. Boys sang. Boys had sung. Past participle. Too many people left. Too many people had left. Simple, isn't it? It's very simple. One of the simplest tenses we can see. Form as well as its use also. You can see that later. Use. So the form is past had plus past participle. Distribution also simple. And then you have got too many people left. Too many people. Next, I knew. I had known. I had known. And several people forgot. Several people had forgotten. Had forgotten. Isn't it? We met him. We had met him. We had met him. They went there. Oh, already we had one went. So we will cancel that. Instead we have two more sentences. He finished the job. He had finished. He had finished. Finished. And some died. Some had died. Some had died. Understand? We don't say some had died, but some had died. We need two more sentences to complete our set of 15. And so it's very easy. I'll give you two more sentences just now. So they arrived. They arrived. They arrived. So that will be our 14th one. 14. We can say the past rewriting will be they had arrived. Isn't it? And the 15th sentence is they played. They played football. Football. And then they had played football. So like this is another exercise that we can do, as I already said. You write some 10 or 15 sentences or 20 sentences and then convert them into past perfect tense. Let's start ready. I can then make them negative. So like this. You can say he hadn't talked, he hadn't lived, people hadn't moved, they hadn't broken, some people hadn't gone, boys hadn't sung, or boy hadn't sung, so that doesn't make any difference. And too many people hadn't left, I hadn't known, several people hadn't forgotten, we hadn't met, he hadn't finished, some hadn't died, they hadn't arrived, and they hadn't played. Negative. So you have got distribution, no problem. I told you this happened. No, there's only one form. So you can put it anywhere. It will not cause any harm or any problem for you. So alright, so make as many sentences as possible and rewrite them in the past perfect tense. Okay. We can start from with the present tense, past tense, past continuous. In that case, Only problem is that you should continuous tenses when you change like this, should not, as I told you, remember, stative verbs should not be used in continuous tense. Then it may create some problems, but otherwise it's not problem. Any tense you can use. Understand? See, for example, they were living, they had lived. They were living, they had lived. Isn't it? They were playing, they had played. They are playing, they had played. Or he has played, he had played. That's very simple. Present to past. Like that we can convert any tense into past perfect tense. So tomorrow, I hope you will be doing at least 100 sentences. If you do 100 sentences, change them into negative and then read them aloud. Some of you start positive reading, some negative reading. Those interested in negative start reading negative. Those interested in positive start reading positive. So, very simple. Bye. See you again with the yes or no questions in the next class. Till then, bye.